Good morning, students. We discussed about pollution. Pollution is nothing but harmful substances present in the air, water or land which harms the living organisms. It even prevents the growth of plants. Harmful substances cause diseases in human beings as well as animals. Now, what are the things we should do to prevent this pollution? As we know, due to the increasing number of population and the growing demands of this large population, there are number of times we have cut down the trees, we have cleared the forest, which is very harmful. So the first and foremost thing which we should do is plant more and more trees. Because children, a plant, a tree, it takes in harmful carbon dioxide. 1 ton means almost 100 kgs of carbon dioxide throughout its lifetime. Can you imagine? Only one tree takes almost 100 kgs of harmful carbon dioxide. As we discussed when we were discussing about global warming, the different gases present in the atmosphere like carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, CFC, they actually trap the heat of the sun and they do not let the heat to go out, and in this way our earth is becoming warmer day by day, and as due to this number of vehicles, smoke from the factories, population, this all lead to the rise of carbon dioxide above the minimum level. Children, all these create a lot of pollution. The minimum level of carbon dioxide is 0.03% and it is rising at an alarming level due to excessive emission from the factories. Even the waste thrown out in the open due to mining. Now, what is mining, children? Mining is taking out of minerals from underneath the earth. Because of growing demand, people need those resources. They need resources under the earth, under the sea, like petroleum, natural gases. So all these are harming the environment, causing a lot of serious threat to the environment. Then the fossil fuel, decay organisms, all these are increasing the carbon cycle. These create a serious threat because the level of these harmful greenhouse gases are increasing. So we should plant more and more trees to lower the level of carbon dioxide. It is the duty of us, the people in this earth, to see that our planet Earth is suitable for us to live in and for the future generation to live in. So plant more trees. We must restrict the use of vehicles and electricity. Vehicles are increasing leaps and bounds, and these creating a lot of pollution. Even electricity, wastage of electricity, because now we have to produce electricity in different forms. So this all is burning of fuel, creating smoke. Factories are located, we should see that the factories are located in areas away from the places people live in. Far away. Many a times there is a factory near your house, near a residential complex. This is not at all permissible. Okay? So the authorities, the municipal corporation, municipal committees of the cities and towns should take care of it. Tall chimneys should be fitted with smoke because factories are emitting all harmful gases. Vehicles can use non-polluting fuels like CNG and LPG. These are non-polluting. They do not pollute the environment. If you use petrol, diesel, they are polluting the environment. So alternative source of energies are being used nowadays, as we use solar energy, we use wind energy, okay, hydro energy. Regular pollution checks of vehicles help prevent air pollution. Regularly we should check our vehicles. You must have seen your parents doing that, so that it can control because vehicles, they pollute the environment in a serious way. So all these we should take care to stop the level of pollution which we are facing now. Thank you.